Welcome to my channel. Linksys Hydra Pro 6 router setup made easy. Step 1. Unbox the router. Remove the router, power adapter, and Ethernet cable from the box. Place the router in an open, central location for the best Wi-Fi coverage. Step 2. Turn off your modem. Power off your modem and unplug it for about 30 seconds before connecting the new router. This helps establish a fresh internet connection. Step 3. Connect the router to the modem. Plug one end of the Ethernet cable into the modem and the other end into the router's Internet WAN port. Step 4. Power on the router. Connect the power adapter and switch on the router. Wait for the status light to indicate the router is ready for setup. Step 5. Install the Linksys app. Download the Linksys app on your Android or iPhone and open it to begin the setup process. Step 6. Create or sign in to your account. Sign in with your existing Linksys account or create a new one. This allows you to manage the router remotely. Step 7. Follow the on-screen setup wizard. The app will detect your Hydra Pro 6 router and guide you through the installation process automatically. Step 8. Create your Wi-Fi network. Choose a Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and create a strong password that is easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. Step 9. Wait for the internet connection. Allow the router a few minutes to connect to your ISP. When the front LED turns solid blue, your internet connection is active. Step 10. Connect your devices. Connect your phones, laptops, smart TVs, and other devices using the new Wi-Fi name and password. Run a speed test to confirm everything is working properly. Thanks for watching.